So as I was explaining in the previous video, so the 45-degree airplane rule. So here we saw with respect to this building and the edge of this building, edge of this road, take a line, 45-degree line with respect to the horizontal. So this line is going in this manner. So this height of the building should not go like this, okay? So the height of the building should not cross this line. This height of the building should not cross this line. So this line is just touching the height of the building, and this is the permissible height of the building. Similarly, for this building, take this edge of the road, draw a 45-degree line with respect to the horizontal. So this line is going in this manner and touching the height of the building. So similarly, this height of the building should not cross this line, okay? If this line is continued like this height of the building should not cross this line. So this height of the building is restricted, so that to the side of the building, if there is any short building, so this building will not take all the share of the sunlight and the breeze. So if the height of the building is restricted, the buildings to the adjacent, to the sides of the tall building will also get its share of sunlight and breeze. So that is what the main goal of the 45-degree rule and the 63.5-degree rule. So let us see the 63.5-degree rule now. So the concept is same. These are the two buildings. These are the edges of the road, okay? So for this building, we are considering this edge of the road, and for this building, we are considering this edge of the road. So for this building, taking the edge of the road, so in this manner, so this will also be the 63.5 degree with respect to the horizontal. This is the road width, okay? This is completely road, and this is the road width. So take a line which is at 63.5 degree to the horizontal. So it will just touch the height of the building. That is, the height of the building should not cross this line, okay? The height of the building should not cross this line. Similarly, for this building also, the same concept is going to be applied. But what happens here is, when we consider the 63.5 degree rule, the height of the building may increase with respect to the 45 degree rule. So that is the problem here. So here you can see, if the height of the building increases because of the 63.5 degree rule, the same problem arises. That is, the building which is at the adjacent or to the side of the tall building, so those buildings will not get its share of sunlight and breeze, cool air and all, okay? So now what we are going to do, this height is going on increasing, but see, this is the actual height of the building, because here this is also some part of the building, right? But here what we have done,